When you see the drum number 2 visible, quarter is enough. You can stop and turn your steering fully right, like that. No need to see hold the drum here, no, just quarter. A new car become nearby the first drum. You have to look from the mirror, right mirror, and you need to keep distance between your car and the bumper off. Between your car and the drum. It should be the distance like this. Okay, go back. When you see the handle of the door opposite of the first drum, not yet. If you turn early, it's okay if you turn early also. In this case, you have become tight again. So what will happen? You need to bring the handle of the door face to the drum. See? No, not yet. That's what I'm doing. No, you need to stop again. Become tight from that side. See? Nearly going to touch. See? That's what happened. She make tight herself from that side. So now we're going to fix. It's too late. See? Not like. You need to stop. If you see both sides not straight, I need to stop. I need to fix my steering to at least to the left. Now you have small chance. See, she is still going right. Now there is no chance. She will be touching any kind of drum from that too. See, she touched. That's what I'm talking. And again, she have to go again. No chance, no chance, no chance, no chance, no chance. What's happening today? My goodness. Mahuri, what happened? I make video for you. Try again, go out. It's better. Okay. So if your car bumper is too tight, too close from the first drum, you know what you do? You need to go backward. The handle of the door is facing the first drum. No, not yet, measure it. Not yet, not yet. No, you become tight again. Too close again. More close. No. You should go back more. Backward. Yeah. See, where's the handle of the door now? It's too close and facing the drum. Yes, now, okay. Yes. That's okay. Right. Yes. Now you can check both sides straight. How you know it's straight or no? From the handle of the doors. Both sides. And you can see the last two drums and the handle of doors. And that time you can know if straight or not. Yeah. Straight, go backward. Not straight, you have to fix it. Okay, good. At that time you are doing mistakes too. Now only okay. No problem. Alright, again and again. Let's see what you do. You go backward again. Here the important here. This side between the bumper and the base drum. Here you need to be careful. She keep the distance okay. She's turning okay. But the problem, when already she's too close from the drum, she's not go backward like the handle of door is opposite of the first time. You need only one hand. You can see from the mirror, one hand. It's enough between the handle of the door, the handle of the door of the car, and the first ramp. One hand should be. You can see from the mirror. Okay. More. This time maybe she can make it just more. She have to go more. Yeah, exactly. Yes. That's one. But that's it. Enough. Where's the handle? Where's the first ramp? And you can turn fully right. Yeah, come on. Now she make it. Always, when you look to the first ramp and you are keeping the distance between the bumper and the first ramp, enough distance for 2 men, they can walk from that side. Okay. All you have to look where? To the mirror, and then look to the handle of the door, and then the first ramp. You can look from there, from the mirror. You can see like one hand only size between the ramp and the handle of. That's it. And you can turn fully right. Okay, that's good.